Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Bilena recently released 12 nail polishes, and I purchased 6 shades from Shopee. And now let's try and swatch them. First we have is Icy Blue. Second we have is Haze. Third shade to swatch is Gray. Fourth we have is White. Fifth we have is Champagne. And lastly is Glitz and Glam. Guess what? I'm really loving the formulation of these nail polishes. It's not streaky to apply and it doesn't have a super strong odor. The brush is good too. It does give you a full coverage when you apply the nail polish. The brush is wide and flat, and it's not stiff to use. One more thing that I like about this one is that they're only 45 pesos each, and it's already in a 10 ml bottle. Plus, the bottle looks very classy and edgy. Oh, and I love that the shade name of each nail polish can be seen in front of the bottle. But guess what? You can see it at the back of the bottle too. Super nice, right? All in all, I'm quite happy with my first purchase of nail polishes for 2023. I hope they release more shades and nail polish collections in the future. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!